right, today we're doing the maiden voyage to Catalina. You ready or what?
Finally setting off, huh?
Finally setting off.
It's a long time in the making.
A lot of hard work by Christopher here. It's island time. We're leaving out of Long Beach. Next stop, Catalina. See some wildlife out here, bro. Oh, right here. Right in front of us. To the island, man. We're out here sailing.
We are here. Welcome to the peaceful serenity of the ocean.
We are sailing. The island.
This is where we live. I need you to research the coastline on the GPS and make sure there's no rocks.
I am on it, sir. We have made it to Two Harbors. Or is it a mackerel again?
Damn, that thing looks...
It's a bonita.
No way. You said that last time.
I think this is a...
Holy shit. Are we putting it in the freezer bag? Let it wear itself out. Yeah, I think you're right. I don't think that's a mackerel.
That's not a mackerel.
Yeah, that's definitely not a mackerel, I don't think. We got into the rough seas. It's actually a pretty mellow day, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice. No f***ing way.
Bro!
No fucking
Double...
way, dude!
Double hookup. Hold the pole.
Oh, bro.
That's a good...
Dude, these are good fish.
That's a calico bass.
What do we got? Mackerel.
Is it a mackerel or a bonita? I think it might be another bonita.
Really? I don't know the difference, honestly.
Oh! Get out from underneath the boat.
Just let it fight.
It's a barracuda.
Yeah, bro! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You swallowed the whole freaking bait!
Yeah, dude! I've never caught one of these!
They have the sharpest teeth. You cannot touch them. In the freezer bag. We got dinner, bro.
Dude, we got a lot of dinner.
Phew.
That's a lot of talk. Dude.
Let's see if I can get it again, whatever that was. I'm just gonna cast and retrieve real quick.
Get it way out there. I'm gonna get clear of this kelp real quick. Zigzag.
Another one of those freaking...
That's gonna be a release.
That's gonna be a release. Look at that guy.
You might break free.
I just don't want to break my lure free. Chill, buddy. Chill.
Splash in the spliff. He's splashing the big spliff.
God.
Don't let him splash the big spliff. You have to let go of that one.
I know, I just don't want to...
It's gonna be good. You need help? Whoa!
It's another bigger bonita. Stay away from the boat.
You're gonna have to ash that spleef. I hope that's not burning on the boat.
No, dude, that was
Okay, it was out, right?
Yeah, it was out. Just a bigger bonita. God, they're all over.
I'll try and protect the spleef.
It doesn't help that Trying to protect the boat
The essence.
from this fish.
I think that's a mackerel. Right? Look at that little beach.
What do we got here? There he goes. He's got another one. This guy can't be stopped. One to go. And he splashed me twice.
Catch and release. Fish tacos and a little bit of beans. Just cooking up some fire. Some rice. Later, Catalina. That was a beautiful spot. We'll be back soon.
Yeah, seriously, probably real soon. Catalina wine mixer.